that occur any? It's such a beautiful creature, isn't it?
Yeah. Very good.
Can I take a picture of me with a millipede there? Not
Yep.
the biggest animal.
Okay. You want a video of me taking it?
Oh, if,
You saw everybody? You saw the Napo River?
Yeah.
That direction.
Para que se asome mejor que el otro, ¿no?
So you need a lot of leaves just to for one roof.
Le hacer un rompecabezas.
Depending of how big is the house, you will need about 500 leaves just to make one roof completely. They are very resistant. Maybe you can just have a roof for 10, 15 days, 15 years, sorry, no days. And maybe that's the time that
That's
it
a
will
lot of
take you
upkeep.
to build a roof. No, about 15 years that you can have this kind of roofs. If you wave it like this, because in this way it's more resistant. The other way that people usually do is they just put all the leaves together and leave it like this. But in that case you need more leaves, and you need to most of the time just repair the leaks in the houses and things like that. But this is the idea. The palm tree name is tawa. Tawa is also the name of the nut that is produced by these palm trees. In English, this tawa is called vegetal ivory. People made a lot of aircraft with this. If you go to the gift shop, you will find these white little nuts, big
Oh, I
ones,
saw
balls.
those.
That is tawa.
Oh, okay. So I'm going in to swim with the piranhas and the caimans.
tell us when you feel a nibble.
Stop it.
Very good.
Feels very good. But there are cold spots.
There are cold spots too.
Okay, did you get it?
I got it. You're in.
I might be able to show you what I can do. I can jack up the speed.
Did you get bitten?
Oh, just little things. Little.
Tigra o el bolso, atarraya, hamaca, redes y otras cosas más. Para pulseras, para collares, todo sirve. Este tipo de chambira. A ver, usted es maestro también, puede sacar.
Ya pues.
Era una chica.
Oh,
De una pulsera.
¿Qué tal, no?
ya va.
Okay, The name of
Sí,
this
la
palm
carta
tree
está
is
poquito
chambira.
arriba.
Está rota, ve.
Sí, pero ya no pude porque estaba alto. Sí,
Yeah.
hay que hacerlo.
It's one of the most useful.
Sacar así lo que está. Una-
It's one of the most useful palm trees that you can find in this area. It's used a lot because of the fiber that you can extract from the leaves. And actually people can do many different things with this fiber. For example,
ya está.
you can weave
Yeah.
hammocks, you can make nickels, you can make bracelets. But also this fiber is so strong, actually you have to do some strings.
Ese es algo
But you
natural.
can make kind of a strings that are as strong as nylon. So people use it for fishing,
Wow.
for just doing some fishing nets and things like that. So he's removing the fiber.
Hacemos así, pisamos acá, procedemos a sacar así.
That's how you remove the fiber. And this is the fiber. Look at this.
Pueden tocarle, pueden hacer lo
Oh
que
my
ustedes
gosh.
quieran, pero no le van a romper.
That's amazing.
Es
It's
difícil
not as
que le
strong
rompan.
right now, but
Dejen la chigra, el bolso, los hombres no. Solamente los hombres hacemos aquí lo que es atarraya y red.
so women are the ones that they start doing
Esa grande toda.
Como ready.
that are the strings, or they do it for doing
No, la
hammocks
red
or
es
kind of
para coger
horses
pescado,
Yeah, y
Yeah.
atarraya.
and all the
ese
aircraft.
redondo.
But
Yeah,
men,
pero es que
they
es atarraya.
También
use
para
it
coger
for
pescado, pero en cambio ese
weaving fishing
se le
nets
bota así
and
para coger.
fishing lines.
Chuta, vamos a ver si vale la pierna.
No, it's fine.
Pero sí te lleva un poquito de tiempo. Así es que tienen que aguantarse los mosquitos.
Yeah, just take a couple of minutes to run the mosquitoes.
Grandchildren, biology lesson.
Oh, and they'll love it. I think it's so fascinating, especially
How
our
old are they?
grandson.
How old are they?
Alex will be 5 in April, and Ivy will be 2 in January.
Oh, no, no.
So they're like little sponges, little sponges. Alex is the one that told me not to swim in the
Golpeamos esto,
Galapagos
David.
field because where there's
Golpeale.
very sharp.
Right.
Okay, we're
He
gonna
knows enough
He
now.
does know enough.
show you another use for the trees for this tree. Not only food for ants. Not only
That's
it's useful for them.
unbelievable.
It is.
Unbelievable.
Okay, let's go with it.
No, these are the only kind of ants that do this. The other ants do different things.
Yep. Yeah, of course they do. These are the only ones that farm their own food.